I want to say that college life is better than to school life, because in a school life we do not know any his responsibility, but we have taken in admission in a college life, then we can understand his responsibility after sometimes, and last time we complete his responsibility, and we have lots of knowledge for running his life and understand his duty and moral duty.
I want to say कि in college life we don't have a need responsibility. We need responsibility. Sorry, I say wrong. We need responsibility in college life, but in starting of college life, many students faces failures and not completing their work at time, not attending the class. They will forget their responsibility. What about you?
I took your word failure. Mostly it's happened school life, lots of students are failed, but most teachers done that he will pass because he is a student, but it is not happen in a college life. If he do not anything in an exam, then he have to fail.
But in school life, teacher will help and parents also help to correct the exam, to crack the
Complete my
paper,
point.
because the kid are small and they are not grown up, they are not understand their responsibility. But as a grown up kid and you are in college life, you have to be responsible. But some students are not responsible in college life, and you said that in college life students are responsible.
I'm sad that in a school life, mostly teacher happens that he will pass. And one thing in a print is a student that it is happens always to me. That's why we do not need any exam and we do not need any education. But in a school life it happens with him that if we do not read, we do not study, then I have to fail. Complete my point. I have to fail. That's why he is know his responsibility. I'm talk to about the responsibility, but in a school life, students never understand his responsibility, and parents have not give any responsibility. But in a school life, parents said that you in a college life you have to some things, but in a school life parents do not say, and parents understand he's a student, and he only thing know about is he is a grown up, then he understand, but it is a mistake in this life.
But as a immature kid, 5-year kid, 6-year kid, how he or she take his responsibility, then parents will guide, teacher will guide, because he is immature kid. He wants guidance from elders. As a college student, they are teenagers and grown up and mature. They don't have responsibility because parents don't give in immature when they are kids. So how they can mature in college life?
Mature college life. Mostly person, you said that mostly person not mature in college life.
It was an exception case. Some students is mature, but mostly students are first time they chance to get a freedom, independence. They will enjoy their life. He forget all things. What they have to do, what their parents teaches.
It is happen in college life, but it is a cause of
But it's a good, but it a bad. But
it is a cause of reason in a school life, because parents understand he is a kid and he
But
have
parents-
a lots of time
but
for
parents-
understand, but parents do not pay attention to him. That's why it's happened in a
You
college
said,
life.
You said wrong. Parents and teacher pay attention to each and every kid. Parents send their student to the tuitions, home tuitions also teach their kids at home. How can you said that parents don't give their responsibility? Kid have many pressure of exam, going to school, ready to their bag, and many.
But you said that college life student is a freedom and do anything and do bad habit. But it is a cause of reason, because suppose that you have a lots of work, you do not complete one time. Sometimes you do low, and after sometimes you do little. After sometimes you have completed this your work. It's happen in a school life. It's a school life. It's that students have no responsibility, no any idea, and it's understand it is good. And sometimes it's happened to him, and he forget. Or many students do not understand in the college life. It is a reason of college life. Because it's happened in a college life. Always.
You said responsibility is good. You want to say indirectly responsibility have
Yes.
in college students?
Yes.
How?
How? Because
They are immature when they are in first year. When they are in first year, they are not mature. They are not responsible. How can you say that college students are responsible?
it. You said that.
On what basis?
What basis?